Hey guys, welcome to Devlog. This is Shri. Today I'm going to take you through a problem HackerRank, which is going to be an easy problem. So let's start with the question. So the problem name is number line jumps, and it is an easy level problem. So it has a very good write-up, which is going to help you understand it very deeply. But I have already gone through the problem, so I'm going to give you a brief. So you're at a circus and there are two kangaroos. One starts at position x1, the other starts at position x2. The first kangaroo can jump v1 positions and the second kangaroo can jump v2 positions. So our problem is to figure out if the both kangaroos arrive at the same point after taking n number of jumps. So if that is possible, print yes, otherwise no. So how are you gonna tackle this problem? Write down your comments in solution. Do not look at the answer. Go ahead, give it a short thing. Don't be lazy at mind. Go ahead and think about the solution. I am going to give you the solution away in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So the naive solution for this problem looks something like this. Because the limits are given to be maximum of 10,000 from 0 and 1 respectively for x and v, we can create a for loop that goes till 10,000 iterations and checks if the position of kangaroo after n jumps is the same as the position of kangaroo 2 after n jumps. If that is same, then we return yes, otherwise we return no. So from the initial position we are adding n number of jumps. For each jump the second kangaroo takes v2 steps and the first kangaroo takes v1 steps. But can we get a better solution, guys? Yes, we can. Give it a shot. Don't look at the solution. Take 5 minutes. It is going to be very easy. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1, I'm going to give the solution away. So there is an order of one solution possible for this. Let's say while the first kangaroo makes n jumps, the position of the first kangaroo is going to be x1 plus v1 times n, right? And the position of second kangaroo is going to be v2 plus v2 times n plus x2. So if we rearrange this solution, we see that x1 minus x2 is the result of v2 minus v1. So what does this mean? For this to be possible, we can say that using a modulus operand in Python, if x1 minus x2 mod v2 minus v1 is 0, then there is a possibility that both the kangaroos meet at the same point. Also, we need to check if v1 is greater than v2 because x1 is given to be always less than x2. That means the first kangaroo starts always behind kangaroo 2 and the velocity of kangaroo 1 should be more than that of kangaroo 2 if it has to cross kangaroo 2 or meet kangaroo 2 at some point. So this is the order of one solution. I hope you like it. See you with another problem in the next video. Until then, keep coding. Developers are artists. Coding is an art. See you.